اسمع ulan! Esme! Amcanın da, obanların da cezasını keseceğim. Yürü! Dalımızı eğilin, ağacını sökeceğiz. Bana o şerefsiz amcanı getir, kardeşini al.
Sofu öldürecek koçarım. Esnaftan hepsinin gözünde kan damlayı.
Ula her yerde beni arıyorsun. Sıkıldım. Dedim ki biraz da Esme'yi ara.
Now we'll finally learn that Aybek is her daughter. But unfortunately, the explosion will happen right after Esma finds out. But of course, Esma won't die, or even Zasharifa, and most likely their injuries will be minor. As for Ipek, as I told you before, there is a high probability that Ipek took a strand of hair from Esma while hugging her, and she will do a DNA analysis to make sure if Esma is her mother. And I mentioned to you previously that there is another possibility, which is that Arouj will tell them, because he will not be able to bear the pangs of conscience, and also because he cannot stay away from Ipek. Which of the two possibilities is more likely? Share your expectations with us.